So first you section your wig. You see how I parted it, right? You're going to section it into 2 sections with clips holding them in place. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to stretch and bob a bone straight wig. Then you get your stretcher with your comb, your stretcher on your right hand and the comb on the left hand. Then while stretching, you can see how I'm turning my hand around the comb, like I'm making a bend. Like if you watch carefully, you see that my hand is I'm not going straight. I'm also making that bob while I'm stretching. So I'm going like 3, 4, 5 times on each piece, and you have to take the hair section by section, like was one at a time. You can't rush it in order to give you what you want. So this is how the bob looks like. So we're going in now. That's another step right now. So you have to take in your hairs, section it. You see I'm going on one line. You have to make about 4 sections that you're going to be taking in one after the other. You don't have to rush this process. If you rush it, you won't get it right. And make sure too that you're holding your stretcher in a way that you're not creating a line on the hair. So see, the bob is already coming out. So you have to do this all through the hair. Each line you have to take it piece by piece, section it piece by piece, and till you're in the closure. So this is the closure now. So we're going to be working on the closure. You section your closure, take out a piece section that you're going to be working with. You see what I'm doing? Take just a piece section of it, then you start going in and you start stretching and you're bobbing it. So I'm stretching it at the same time I'm bobbing it. Take out another piece. Guys, I also offer a class on this, and I'll put the link in the description below. I also put my a number where you can make inquiries on the class. So if you want an in-depth knowledge on this, I'll be there to guide you step by step of every way. So you see what I'm doing, right? That's your wax stick and this is your hot comb. Use it. You have to work on the closure. You have to make the closure very flat. It has to be very hot. The hot comb has to be hot enough to make the closure very flat. So you're stretching and you're bobbing it. You're stretching and you're curving your hands at the tip ends of the hair. So you have to do this with precision to get it right. So guys, this is it. So I just finished on one side of the closure right now, on one part of the closure. So you can see how one side is done. So it's left. So we're left with the other side. This is the back. This is the middle part of the closure. So you're going to be taking it in sections and you're going to be stretching and bobbing it. You're not going to rush it. There's no need to rush it, because once you rush it, you won't get it right. So this is the final look. So tell me what you guys think. Like I said, if you want an in-depth knowledge on this, I give a tutorial on this. So check the link in the description for the inquiries you need to get you started. So this is the final look, guys. You can see how it's done. You can see how dangling it is. I really love the look. You can see how it is. Very fine, very shiny, and very classy. See, very beautiful. So you can do this at home or any place you like. going to need more tutorial on this, so just let me know in the comment section if there's something you don't understand or you want to find out about. Let me know and I'm going to get back to you guys.